Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to copy multiple group messages on WhatsApp using the PC app. This new update makes it easier than ever to select and copy multiple messages seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access your chats. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where the messages you want to copy are located. Click on the group name from your chat list to enter. Now right-click on any message within the group. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Select. This will activate the selection mode, allowing you to pick multiple messages. Next, click on all the messages you wish to copy. You can select as many as you need by simply clicking on each one. Once you've made your selection, look for the copy icon, usually located at the top of the chat window, and click on it. And that's it. The selected messages are now copied to your clipboard and ready to be pasted wherever you need them, whether it's in another chat, a document, or an email. This feature is incredibly handy for saving important information or sharing specific parts of a conversation with others. Try it out today and make your WhatsApp experience even more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.